Welcome to solverfy.
Hello. In the question we have given that a scale reads 314 newtons. So we have given the weight as equal to 314 newtons when a piece of iron is hanging from it. So this is the weight of iron. So this is given the weight of iron. So what does it read when it is lowered so that the iron is submerged in water? So when this iron is submerged in water, so what will be the reading? That is what we have to find out. So this is 314. So now we have this weight. So from weight I can find out mass. So because I know W is equal to M times G, so mass will be equal to W by G. So W is given 314 divided by 9.8. So if I calculate this, I get this as 32.04 kg. Now just to be more specific over here, so I will write mass of ferrous. So that is iron is 32.04 kg. Now if I know this mass, so I can find out volume because I know density is equal to mass per unit volume. So from here I can find out volume, so that will be equal to mass upon density. So now I know what is the mass of, sorry, density of this. So mass is 32.04 divided by the density of ferrous is 7800 kg per meter cube. So the volume from here will turn out to be, so here we will write it as Fe. So volume of ferrous will be equal to 4.10 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cubed. So now from here, now see what will happen. So this is the, suppose this is the water, this is the container which has water in it, and suppose we have submerged, so one ice, sorry, we have submerged a iron in this. So now this iron will have a weight that is mg, but now there will be an upthrust, there will be an buoyant force which is acting on this in the opposite direction to the weight. So that is why the weight of this will change. So we will find over here, so the change in the weight will be the apparent weight, which we will calculate. So apparent weight will be equal to real weight minus the upthrust. So apparent weight we will call it as WAPP, that is equal to real weight, we will just call it as W, minus upthrust is FB. So which is buoyant force. So FB will be equal to, so this FB will be equal to the amount of water displaced, sorry, the density of water times the volume of water that is displaced into G. Now if, so how much volume of this, according to the Archimedes principle, so how much volume we are putting of this iron, so that much volume of water will get displaced. So I can write this FB as equal to rho W times volume of the ferrous which has been put in it into G. So now from this my WAPP becomes W minus rho W BFE, volume of the ferrous, times G. So W is 314 minus this is 1000 into this is 4.10 into 10 raised to minus 3 further into 9.8. So if we calculate this, I get apparent weight as equal to 2.73, sorry, 273.9 newtons. So this is the apparent weight which we obtain. So I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.